where we leave off. So we were creating a Java server that could expose a RESTful service that would allow us to manipulate a list of widgets on the server, right? And we implemented a couple of endpoints. One for just saying something generic as saying hello, get all the widgets, find all the widgets and whatnot, and also find a particular widget and create a brand new widget. And we were manipulating this list of widgets over here, and we're exposing it to these endpoints. So for instance, we could get all the widgets by pointing our browser to localhost 8080. That's where the server was running. And we created this virtual endpoint called Widgets, which returned this JSON representation of an array of widgets, which is this array over here, this list over here. And we're exposing it just by defining this endpoint over here. Yes? We also implemented being able to retrieve an individual widget. If we knew the ID, we could ask for a specific widget by the ID. Okay. We also implemented a couple other things, such as being able to create new widgets by using post. And we pointed out that if we follow these nomenclatures, that we use post for creation, get for read, and also we follow these the syntax of how we use the plural nouns, and that if you refer to the plural in a get, then you mean that you want a list of all of them. Whereas if you provide a unique identifier, then you want that one object. So if you follow all these nomenclature and these conventions, then we say that we are a RESTful service. Okay, as opposed to if you start using some just generic, random, unstructured names for your URLs, and the behaviors are also unstructured, right? Where you're using a get to create content, yes, then you're not following the nomenclature. You're not following the conventions. So if you follow the conventions, then you can say you're RESTful. If you're not following the conventions, then sure, it works, but you're not RESTful. Yes. So RESTful is just a collection of conventions that we all agree to follow and to think about the data. All right, so that's the RESTful. So let's work on this a little further.